Hey, hello everyone. So today, all right, we are going over your entrance slip here for lesson number 5, day 2. All right. So we've been working a lot with our tape diagrams here, drawing our boxes out based on your ratio. And we're going to see this routine kind of play out over and over again. So get your entrance slips out in front of you. All right. Pause the video if you need to. We are going to lesson number 5, day 2. So the idea is that we kind of go back in time, all right, and we look at the other ones we were doing. We were boxes. Again, if you look at your lesson 3, it should be completed, all right, either with me in class or with one of the videos that we did. And we're labeling. Lesson 5, day 1, same thing. We drew boxes and we labeled. Day 2 does the exact same thing. We draw boxes and we label. It's just that our labeling's a little bit different. So let's get into it here. So we got the ratio of the boys to girls in class is 5 to 7. All right. So if we're doing 5 to 7, that means 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 7 boxes. All right. Remember, I got to match them up. And this is really important for today. 3, 4, there's 5, and then 6 and 7. Okay. So label girls to boys. So girls came first with the 5, boys came second. Here's the thing, 10 more boys than girls. Where are the boxes that show more boys? Okay, this is why in the notes, and again, if you haven't watched the notes, go back and do them there. That's why you saw me go ahead and go draw on this big line here, because there it is. There's where there's more boxes at. So that's where there's more boys than girls. So my 10 is only going to go with those 2 boxes. Didn't say there are 10 boys. Didn't say there's 10 girls. Didn't say there are a total of 10 boys and girls. There are 10 more. So that 10 has to get divided up between the 2 boxes, which means each box is worth 5. Yes, yes, because we're taking that 10 and we're going to divide it among the 2 boxes. Okay, so now we can ask the questions. Answer the question, how many boys are there? Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes for the boys. Each box is worth 5. Hello, 35 boys. So again, we're back to our labeling here again. More boys. Where are there more boys? Well, that's why we have you draw that line in. So we're going to see that with keywords here. When we did total up here, we actually kind of drew it off to the side for the 45 because we had to use all of the boxes. All right. Up here, we just simply said, hey, Karen has 60. So we went up to where Karen was at and we just put it with the 60. So in this now, the one we're doing here is we're seeing more. Okay. So ratio is 2 to 6. Let's get ourselves 2 boxes down, and then let's get ourselves 6 boxes down. Again, they've got to match up those first 2 here, and then 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. Green eyes to blue eyes. There's the green eyes. There's the blue eyes. There are 44 students that have blue eyes. Ooh. Does it say total? Total, I'm going out here. No, it does not. Okay. Ooh, eraser. There we go. Does it say more? There's 44 more students. If it was more, we would go and no, it just says there's 44 students. Oh, wait a second. It did say 44 students have blue. Oh my goodness. See, when you read sometimes you interpret one way, you go back the other way, you make assumptions. Oh wait, no. 44 students have blue eyes. Yes, there it was. I had it. So kind of show you this is going to happen sometimes. Yeah, sometimes you're going to erase things without it when you didn't mean to. All right. So 44 students have blue eyes. It is right there. Okay. So again, watch your wording, watch your limit. Just don't throw something somewhere because that's what we're doing here today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then that's my 6 box here. Here you go, people. 44 divided by 6. How's that going to work out? It's not clean. Shut the door right here. All right, shut the door right here. We're going to stop right now. All right. We do this problem because a lot of times students will get here and they'll be like, well, you can't do it, so I must have done it wrong. No. I'm going to pause you here. We're not going to finish solving it. I'm interested, did you label correctly here? Did you label correctly? So again, watch your labeling. Now, in all your classroom problems today, yes, you are solving, and yes, you will get whole numbers for all of them. Make sure you're checking the answer key. Remember, you can get yourself teams. All right. I'm in 6th period right there. Answer keys and extra copies, and away you go. So get those answers checked. All right, people, we're done here.